Hello, and welcome to my food safety channel. For full disclosure, this video contains information found directly on the FDA website. Any updates or other recent information related to this video can be found on the FDA website.
Full video sessions are found on my channel. Feel free to subscribe and like this video so that I can continue creating more content. Let me know what other food safety topics you are interested in. Let's start the learning.
Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point 7 Principles. Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point is a systematic approach to the identification, evaluation, and control of food safety hazards based on the following 7 principles. Principle 1. Conduct a hazard analysis. Principle 2. Determine the critical control points, CCPs. Principle 3. Establish critical limits. Principle 4. Establish monitoring procedures. Principle 5. Establish corrective actions. Principle 6. Establish verification procedures. Principle 7. Establish record-keeping and documentation procedures.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Up next, Guidelines for Application of Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point Principles.